Stay comfortable and stylish all season with these winter boots by Kamik. They feature a waterproof leather and textile upper with a seam-sealed construction to keep your feet nice and dry and functional lace-up closure to give you a secure and custom fit. The contrasting shaft has a worn and distressed look to it with a decorative perforation design, and there is a quilted and puff detail around the trim of the collar to give you a cozy and stylish look. Inside, there is a textile lining that is insulated to keep you nice and warm with a removable footbed that has an odor control technology to keep you fresh, and it is cushioned and contoured to keep you comfortable all day. They have a sturdy and durable build that's made to last, and you'll get a little boost in height from the block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that is grippy to keep you stable.